Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today topic is wild animals. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. You can watch more educational videos. Tiger, Jaguar, Lion, Fox, Zebra, Elephant, Hippopotamus, Kangaroo, Giraffe, Monkey, Panda, Deer, Bear, Gorilla. Wild animal questions. Which is the tallest animal? Answer: giraffe. Which animal has a long trunk? Answer: elephant. Where do the wild animals like to live? In the jungle. Which animal is the king of the jungle? Lion. Which animal has a long neck? Giraffe. Which animal is the biggest land animal? Elephant. Thank you for watching my channel.